Here's a green tea shot with no green tea at all. Cheers.
Keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.
The green tea shot only has 3 ingredients, and none of them are green tea. What?
Proper 12. This is an excellent whiskey. If you have not had it, I suggest you go out and get it, or else Conor McGregor might knock you out. Maybe at a bar. Maybe you're an old man. Conor, we love you. Thank you for the Proper 12.
Half an ounce of Irish whiskey, half an ounce of peach schnapps, and half an ounce of sweet and sour. No green tea at all. Cheers.
I like the color of it. Definitely the drink that people who do not like whiskey get. It goes down really easy. So people who do not like alcohol, this is a great drink for you. I give it a 7 flat. Okay. A few of these creeps up on you at a party.
I don't taste a lot of the sweet and sour, but it does taste very sweet. What I really get more than anything else is the peach schnapps. It's a very drinkable shot. I don't think it's incredibly exciting. I'm not much higher than a 7, but I think I would go just higher than a 7, probably still in the 7s though.
Look, if you guys want to learn more shots like this easy green tea shot, like and subscribe to the channel.
And as always, if you're enjoying a green tea shot or anything else this evening, please just do so responsibly. Do not drink and drive. It's just not worth it. See you next time.